The Igbo Unification Movement and Indian Asobia Social Cultural Organization are holding a two-day conference, Ogbako Igbo Zara Igbo, Oru na Ndida, with the theme Igbo Bofu. Addressing the participants and other guests, the senator representing Delta North Senatorial District, Prince Ned Nwoko, praised the gathering while appreciating uniqueness of Igbo people in Nigeria. He praised the group for their unifying prowess, stressing the need for unity as a key factor for the Igbos. He noted that the fight for creation of a Neoma state has gained momentum from different quarters, noting that falling under South-South or Southeast is secondary.
That what you're doing as a body, what you're doing as a body is very important. You are helping to actualize the dreams of our forefathers, the dreams of our ancestors, and the dreams of every woman and woman. I thank you so much for the opportunity. What you're doing is great. I hope that other Igbo people in Delta will emulate you. I just hope that the idea of Igbo unity is something that every Igbo person understands.
The senator was presented with an award for his numerous good works, both at the Senate and outside his political duties.
Sometime last year, I introduced a bill for the creation of a Neoma state. That state is meant to comprise of the 9 local government areas that I represent. The homogeneous and Neoma people. That's what I said. However you look at it. I know that along the line, we've had other interests from the banking and other areas. So this bill of mine, which is a private member bill, has gone through the first reading in the Senate. It was committed to the Committee on Constitutional Amendment. I'm a member of that committee. As a matter of fact, I'm the one representing Delta State in that committee. That's the ultimate committee, as they say in the Senate. So there's one senator representing every state in that committee. So I know what's happening. We have done our work. We've had retreats, both in Kano and in Abuja. One thing is for sure, that the Senate and the presidency, I can tell you that of knowledge, public knowledge, that there's been talk about doing justice to it. Some of you will prefer to use Southeast, some will say Igbo.
He equally unveiled the Indian Asobia cable TV network dedicated to the cultures of the Igbo and their lifestyle. The governor of Delta State was represented by his chief of staff, Johnson Erijo. He noted that his government cares for all cultural groups.
Wherever a language is spoken, it's a thing that is heartwarming. It is from this occasion that I got to understand that the speaking Igbo language in upward of 13 states in this country.
Various resource persons delivered lectures eulogizing the strengths, oneness, roots, and connectivity of the Igbos.
The founder of Obopa Kingdom today in Anyocha North is called Anaba. We refer him as Anaba Nogidi, right from the east. And we also have the head of our clan, is a Chime. How we migrated from Ogidi and spent a lot of years in Benin and became great. But at the end of the day,